Good morning everyone. This is Srishti Saxena here and I am going to teach you English literature of class 2nd, and today I am going to start with the new topic, that is the merchant purse. Lesson number 2. I have already finished with one chapter and one poem in my previous video, and today I am going to start with the new chapter, lesson 2, the merchant purse. If you have the book, you can see in your book on page number 28 the second chapter, the merchant purse. In this, before starting with the story, I am going to tell you about the short description about the story. Here there is one man, that is the merchant, who has lost his purse in the market. Now let us read a story. Let us read this chapter to know the story. Let us read a story about an old woman who found a purse at the marketplace. This story is about a woman who found a lost purse in the marketplace. Now see, I am reading out this story for you. Please have a look on the stories. A rich merchant once lost his purse at the marketplace. Who is merchant? A merchant is the person who sells things. A man who sells things. There is one man, that is merchant, who lost his purse. What is purse? You know, the thing that it's a thing where we keep so many things inside the purse at the marketplace. A poor old woman found the purse. Okay, once the merchant lost his purse in the marketplace, and there is one woman, old woman, and in the market she has found that lost purse. She opened it. What did the old woman do when she found the purse, that is lost one? What she has done, she had opened the purse and saw it had 100 gold coins in it. When she opened the purse, she found 100 gold coins in that purse. Just as she was wondering whose purse it was, she heard the merchant shout. When she found 100 gold coins in the purse, she was wondering whose purse it might be, who has lost this purse. Then at that time, that moment only, what she heard that the merchant was shouting. She heard a merchant shout, and what the merchant was saying, a reward. I will give you a reward to anyone who find my purse. And what she heard, that the merchant was shouting loudly in the marketplace, and he was announcing that whosoever will find my purse, I will give that person a reward. See, these are the difficult words. Merchant, a man who sells things. This is purse. Wondering means thinking. Just as she was wondering whose purse it was. Wondering means as she was thinking. That old woman was wondering means thinking. Now the old woman gave the purse to the merchant. When she heard that the merchant was shouting loudly, and I will give you the reward, I will give the reward to the person who will find my purse. Here is your purse, she said. Will you give my reward? What she did, she handed over that lost purse to the merchant, and she said, here is your purse. I am giving you your purse. Will you give me my reward? Then what happens? Then merchant said, reward? What do you mean by reward? Said the merchant greedily. Merchant was very much greedy. Greedy means a person, a way that shows that someone wants more and more. Okay? In Hindi we call it lalchi. Okay? Said the merchant greedily, counting his gold coins. When he got the purse, he started counting his gold coins. My purse had 200 pieces of gold. He told a lie to the woman, and he said that in my purse there are 200 gold coins. You have already stolen more than the reward. I told you that I will give you the reward, but you have stolen all my coins more than the reward. Go away. He shouted to the old woman that go away. I am not going to give you any reward. Go away from here. He shouted that old woman badly. Then what the old woman said, I am poor, but I am honest. Even though I am poor, but I am honest. Honest means what? Honest means a person who tells the truth. A person who tells the truth. I am honest. I am poor, but I am honest. I will go to the Queen Palace. I will go to the Queen Palace and ask for help. I will seek help from the Queen. I am going to say I am poor but I am honest. What the old woman said कि you are telling a lie. I am poor but I am honest. I am not telling a lie. Honest means a person who tells the truth. Said the old woman. I will go to Queen's Palace. I will go to Queen's Palace. Queen's Palace. Palace is what? Palace is a very big, large house where a king or queen lives. Where the king or queen lives. Queen's Palace, and ask for help. I will go to Queen's Palace, and I will tell the queen to help me out in this matter, because she was very much upset with what the merchant has said to the old woman, because that merchant was very greedy. He was very greedy. He told a lie to the old woman. In this chapter, till I am going to explain you this chapter till here only, and the next explanation part of I am going to continue in my next video. Till here I am going to explain you this chapter today, this the Queen Palace and ask for help. Till here only I am going to explain you this chapter, and the next part of the next explanation part I am going to continue in my next video. Okay, thank you.